Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn Flow English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Today, we have something incredibly powerful to share with you.
Yes, today's topic is going to transform the way you practice English. We're talking about a technique that can make you speak fluently, naturally, and confidently.
Wow, that's a big promise, Mia. What's this magical technique?
It's called shadowing, and it's not magic, but it works like magic.
Shadowing. I've heard this word before, but I'm not sure everyone knows what it means. Can you explain?
Of course. Shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking English and you repeat exactly what they say at the same time, like an echo.
Oh, like a shadow. You follow the speaker's voice just like a shadow follows a person.
Exactly. That's why it's called shadowing. You become the speaker's shadow.
That's brilliant. So you're not just listening, you're actively speaking at the same time.
Yes, and this is why shadowing is so powerful. Most people only listen to English, but they don't practice speaking. Shadowing combines both.
I love this. So before we dive deep into shadowing, let's quickly ask our viewers to help us out.
Yes, if you're enjoying this lesson, please hit that like button. It really helps us reach more English learners.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Learn Flow English. We post new conversation lessons every single day.
And leave us a comment below. Have you tried shadowing before? Tell us yes or no. We want to know.
All right, ready to learn the secret of shadowing?
Let's begin.
So, Mia, tell me honestly, did you use shadowing when you were learning English?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, shadowing is one of the main reasons my English improved so quickly.
Really? Tell us more. How did you discover it?
Well, when I was learning English, I used to just listen to podcasts and videos. I understood everything, but when I tried to speak, I couldn't. My mouth didn't know how to move.
Oh, that's such a common problem. So many learners understand English perfectly but can't speak.
Exactly. So one day I decided to try something different. Instead of just listening, I started repeating everything I heard, word by word, sentence by sentence.
And what happened?
At first, it was really difficult. I couldn't keep up with the speed, I stumbled over words, and sometimes I didn't even understand what I was saying.
That sounds frustrating.
It was, but I didn't give up. I kept practicing every single day, just 10 minutes a day, and after 2 weeks, something amazing happened.
What?
I noticed that when I wanted to speak English, the words came out much easier. My mouth knew how to move, my pronunciation improved, and I could speak faster without thinking.
Wow. So shadowing trained your mouth muscles to speak English naturally.
Exactly. You see, Alex, speaking is not just about knowing words. It's about training your mouth, your tongue, your voice to produce English sounds.
That's such an important point. Many people think speaking is only about vocabulary and grammar, but it's also physical.
Yes, just like learning to play piano or ride a bicycle, speaking requires muscle memory, and shadowing builds that muscle memory.
I love this analogy. So shadowing is like going to the gym before your speaking muscles.
Exactly. Now, let me explain exactly how shadowing works step by step.
Yes, please. I think everyone wants to know the details.
Okay, so shadowing has 3 simple steps. Step 1, find audio or video in English that's not too fast and not too difficult.
What kind of content should people choose?
Great question. For beginners, I recommend choosing content that's specifically made for English learners, like our Learn Flow English videos, or simple podcasts, audiobooks for learners, or even children's stories.
And what about intermediate or advanced learners?
For intermediate learners, you can use movie clips, TV show dialogues, TED Talks, or news podcasts. The key is to choose something that's interesting to you.
Ah, that's important. If it's boring, you won't practice.
Exactly. Now, step 2, listen to a short section, maybe 10 to 30 seconds. Listen carefully to how the speaker sounds. Pay attention to their pronunciation, their rhythm, their tone.
So you're really studying how they speak, not just what they say.
Yes. And then, step 3, play it again, and this time speak along with them. Try to copy everything: the speed, the pronunciation, the emotion, even the pauses.
Like becoming a voice actor.
Exactly. You're imitating them as closely as possible.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Do you need to understand every word you're shadowing?
That's a great question, and the answer is not at first. At first, shadowing is about training your ears and mouth, not understanding meaning.
Really? So you can shadow even if you don't understand?
Yes, in fact, when you shadow sounds without worrying about meaning, your brain focuses on pronunciation and rhythm. Later, you can go back and learn what the words mean.
That's fascinating. So it's okay to shadow first and understand later.
Exactly. Of course, it's better if you understand what you're saying, but don't let lack of understanding stop you from shadowing.
Okay, so now let's talk about the benefits of shadowing. Why is this technique so powerful?
Oh, there are so many benefits. Let me count them. Benefit number 1, shadowing improves your pronunciation dramatically.
How?
Because when you shadow, you're training your mouth to produce the same sounds as native speakers. You're copying the exact way they form words.
So instead of speaking with your native accent, you start speaking with a more natural English accent.
Exactly. Benefit number 2, shadowing helps you speak faster and more fluently.
Why is that?
Because shadowing forces you to keep up with natural speaking speed. You can't slow down. You have to match the speaker.
So it trains your brain to process English quickly.
Yes. Benefit number 3, shadowing improves your listening comprehension.
Wait, how does speaking practice improve listening?
Great question. When you practice producing sounds yourself, your brain gets better at recognizing those same sounds when others speak.
Oh, so by learning to speak clearly, you also learn to hear clearly.
Exactly. Benefit number 4, shadowing builds your confidence.
How does it build confidence?
Because when you shadow every day, you get comfortable using your voice in English. You're no longer afraid to speak out loud.
These benefits are amazing. So now I have a question. How long should people practice shadowing each day?
You don't need a lot of time. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. The key is consistency, not duration.
So it's better to shadow 10 minutes every day than 1 hour once a week.
Absolutely. Daily practice builds muscle memory, and muscle memory is what makes speaking automatic and natural.
Okay, so let's give everyone a practical guide. How should beginners start shadowing?
Great question. Let me give you the complete beginner's guide to shadowing.
I'm ready.
Step 1. Choose your material. For your first shadowing session, choose something very simple and slow. A short children's story, a beginner podcast like ours, or a simple YouTube video.
How long should the clip be?
Start with just 30 seconds to 1 minute. Don't try to shadow a whole movie on your first day.
Good advice. What's step 2?
Step 2, listen without speaking. Play your chosen clip 2 or 3 times and just listen. Get familiar with the sounds, the rhythm, the speed.
So you're warming up your ears first.
Exactly. Step 3, now try to shadow. Play the audio and speak along. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. Just do your best.
What if you make mistakes or get lost?
That's completely normal. Don't stop, just keep going. Even if you only catch every third word, that's okay. The goal is to keep your mouth moving.
I love this. So it's about effort, not perfection.
Yes. Step 4, repeat the same clip multiple times. Shadow it 5 times, 10 times, even 20 times. Each time you'll get better.
So you're mastering one small piece of audio before moving to the next.
Exactly. It's better to shadow 1 minute of audio perfectly than to shadow 10 minutes poorly.
That makes so much sense. What's step 5?
Step 5, record yourself. This is optional but very helpful. Use your phone to record yourself shadowing.
Why is recording important?
Because when you listen to your recording, you can hear your own pronunciation. You can compare yourself to the original speaker and notice where you need to improve.
Oh, that's brilliant. You become your own teacher.
Exactly. Now let me share some advanced shadowing techniques for people who want to take it to the next level.
Ooh, I love this. What are the advanced techniques?
Advanced technique number 1, shadowing without audio. After you've shadowed a clip many times, try speaking it from memory without playing the audio.
Oh, wow. So you've internalized the rhythm and pronunciation so well that you can reproduce it alone.
Exactly. Advanced technique number 2, shadowing with emotion. Don't just copy the words, copy the feelings. If the speaker sounds excited, you sound excited. If they sound sad, you sound sad.
So you're acting while speaking.
Yes, this makes your English more expressive and natural. Advanced technique number 3, shadowing with gestures. While you shadow, use your hands, your face, your body. Move like you're having a real conversation.
Why is this helpful?
Because when you connect words with physical movement, your brain remembers better. Plus, it makes shadowing more fun.
I love these advanced techniques. Now, let's talk about common mistakes people make when shadowing.
Yes, this is important. Mistake number 1, choosing audio that's too difficult or too fast.
What happens if the audio is too difficult?
You get frustrated and give up. If you can't keep up at all, choose something slower. It's better to shadow easy content well than difficult content poorly.
Good point. What's mistake number 2?
Mistake number 2, trying to shadow too long. Some people try to shadow for 30 minutes or an hour. That's too much.
What should they do instead?
Shadow in short sessions, 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Quality over quantity.
What's mistake number 3?
Mistake number 3, not repeating the same material. Some people shadow something once and then move on to new content.
What's wrong with that?
You don't build muscle memory. You need to repeat the same clip many times until it becomes automatic.
So it's like learning a song. You practice it over and over until you can sing it perfectly.
Exactly. Mistake number 4, shadowing while reading the text.
Wait, why is that a mistake? Doesn't reading help?
At first, you might think so, but actually, when you read while shadowing, you're training your eyes, not your ears. Shadowing should be purely audio-based.
Oh, I see. So you want your ears to do the work, not your eyes.
Exactly. You can read the transcript later to check understanding, but during shadowing, no reading.
These are such helpful tips. Now let's talk about how to make shadowing a daily habit.
Yes, because consistency is the key to success. Here's how to make shadowing part of your daily routine.
I'm ready.
First, choose a specific time every day. Morning, afternoon, or evening, it doesn't matter. Just pick one time and stick to it.
So it becomes automatic, like brushing your teeth.
Exactly. Second, prepare your materials the night before. Choose your audio or video in advance, so when it's time to practice, you can start immediately.
No excuses.
Right. Third, start very small. Even 5 minutes a day is better than nothing. Don't be ambitious and plan 1 hour if you can't maintain it.
Small habits build big results.
Yes. Fourth, track your progress. Keep a simple journal or use your phone notes. Write down what you shadowed and how it felt.
So you can see your improvement over time.
Exactly. And finally, make it enjoyable. Choose content you actually like. Shadow movie scenes from your favorite films, songs you love, or podcasts about topics you're interested in.
Because if it's fun, you'll keep doing it.
Exactly. Now, before we finish, I want to share one final, very important message with everyone.
What is it?
Shadowing is not just a technique, it's a mindset. When you shadow, you're telling your brain, I can speak like this, I can sound like this, I can be fluent.
So it builds confidence mentally and physically.
Yes, every time you shadow, you're proving to yourself that you can speak English. You're not just a listener anymore, you're a speaker.
That's so powerful.
So I want everyone watching to make a promise to themselves right now. Promise that you will shadow for just 10 minutes today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today.
Yes, start right after watching this video. Find one short clip and shadow it 5 times.
And then come back to the comments and tell us, I did it. We want to celebrate with you.
We really do. Every comment motivates us and shows us that our lessons are helping you.
And remember, shadowing is not about being perfect. It's about practice. It's about progress. It's about building the speaking muscles that will carry you to fluency.
Even if you make mistakes, even if you sound strange at first, even if you can only catch half the words, that's okay. You're still improving.
Every shadow session makes you stronger. Every repetition brings you closer to fluent, natural English.
So don't wait, don't doubt, just start.
If you found this episode helpful, please share it with your friends who are learning English. This technique can change their learning journey, just like it changed mine.
And don't forget to subscribe to Learn Flow English and turn on notifications. We're here every single day with new lessons to help you improve.
Thank you so much for watching today. We believe in you. We know you can become fluent. Now, go practice.
Shadow something today, even just for 5 minutes. Your future fluent self will thank you.
Stay motivated, stay consistent, and keep shadowing.
See you tomorrow with another great lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Keep learning.